guys, welcome to my channel. Meron nag-request natapos ang aking pangalawang video dahil napindot ko lamang. Sorry po sa inyong lahat dahil napindot ko lamang ang aking video na. Oh, what the? Okay. Sorry po ha. Pero may ano po kanina to nakatadamang video na po ako dito. Tayo tayo dito men. Man's best friend. Talag tayo sa tubig dahil sa ating ginawang kahihiyan. Uy, grabe min. Okay lang kahit mamatay tayo dito. Basta tropang nexus din tayo dito, no? Ooh, there's so many skeletons. Let's hide in the others. Wait, cow. Patay ka natin itong cow. Cow. Pahinga ako na pagkain mo, cow. Parang walang damage. Grabe. Horse. Okay, hindi ko kailangan ng horse. Run faster! Grabe, may need. Run! Run faster, enemies is here! Drum boom! Oh, what is this? Nako, there's a mini Montayero. Grabe, lupit. Duling. Grabe, duling. Run! Grabe, run! Let's go there. Uy, there's an enemy. This is so emotional. Oh, skeletons! Skeletons here. A giant skeleton. There's a chest. Okay, this is the giant machetera or anyone 10% pa lang. So there were everywhere. Papunta Okay, palubat na rin tayo. Ano mo naman ang chest na to? What the hell? Dito, let's subscribe to my channel. Bye!